Hello everyone, it is now the fourth video of this series, so we'll discuss some more questions in this video. Let's start with question 1. Given triangle PQR, points K, M, and N are on PR, RQ, and PQ respectively, such that PK is equal to PN and RK is equal to RM. The measure of angle PQR is 42 degrees. Find the measure of angle NKM. All right, we've got some information here that we have to follow when we draw the diagram. First, we know angle PQR is 42 degrees. So when we draw the triangle PQR, we have to make sure that Q is an acute angle. So it is safe to draw this way. Let's say that is Q, and this is equal to PQR. Okay. And then now let's put the point there. So point K is on PR, so I'll put K here, while point M is on RQ, so here is point M, and we know that point N is on PQ, so here is N, and we know PK is equal to PN, so I will put the equal sign there. All right, and RK is equal to RM. So this side here is equal to this side here, and we have to find angle NKM. So I'll join these points, and this is the angle that we have to find. All right, so and I'll put 42 degrees in there. All right. So now from this, I know that I've got some equal angles because there are two isosceles triangles there, right? So this angle here and this angle here are equal, while this angle here and this angle here are equal too. And we're given one angle, 42 degrees. And if you pay close attention, the 42 degrees actually has something to do with the angle here that I color blue and the angle here. Am I correct? Okay, if we subtract that 42 degrees from 180 degrees, it will give us the sum of the two angles, which is equal to 138 degrees. So let's call this angle as X, this angle as Y. That means angle X plus Y is equal to 138 degrees, right? Then if we just notice that X and Y, if we combine X, Y, and also the other four unknown angles, let's call the angle here as alpha and the angle here as beta. So what we can say is that two angles in alpha plus angle X, and then add it together with two angles of beta or 2 beta, and then plus Y, that must be equal to the sum of two triangles, that is 360 degrees, right? Well, X plus Y together, so I can rewrite it as 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus X plus Y. Or I know that X plus Y here is equal to 138 degrees. So that is 360 degrees. So now we can reduce this term into 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 360 degrees minus 138. So that's equal to 222 degrees. Now let's simplify this term. So 1 alpha plus 1 beta is equal to 222 divided by 2. So we divide all this equation by 2. So that's equal to 111 degrees, right? So now you see, this one is alpha and this one is beta. So if we are asked to find the angle here, so that is equal to the sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degrees minus alpha minus beta, or we can write it as 180 degrees minus alpha and beta, right? So that is just 180 degrees minus alpha plus beta, that is 111 degrees. So it's equal to 69 degrees. So angle NKM is equal to 69 degrees. All right. Now let's go to the next question. Question 2. 7 students joined this sepak takraw extracurricular activity. They want to form groups of 3 persons such that any 2 groups share exactly 1 person. What is the greatest number of groups they can create? So there are 7 students and I will name them A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So now there are 7 of them. And the easiest way to make the groups here is first by, of course, splitting them into 2 groups. So first I will split them into A, B, C, and then it is, I cannot start with B because if I start with B, C, and D, there will be B and C. That means more than 1 person in the first group. So this is group 1. So in group 2, I will start with C, D, E. So group 1 and 2 share C. All right. And then in group 3, I will start also with E, F, G. And then I will do the next one now. Since I'm done with these A, B, C, C, D, E, and E, F, G, so I will start to combine the people in group 1, 2, and 3. I will take 1, 1, and 1. So 1 person from each group. So the 4th group I can have is, I will start with G, then I will take 1 person from group 1, GA, and then I will take 1 person from group 2, that is E. All right, now they don't share any same person, more than 1, right? It's only when you compare group 4 and 1, they only share A. When you compare group 2 and 4, they only share E. So it is still okay. And then now in the 5th group, I will also start to take 1 from each group. So now I will take from group 3, I will take F. And then from group 2, I will take D. And from group 1, I will take A. So now you see if we compare the people in each group, A and A, so only 1 person, and then D with D, only 1 person, F with F, only 1 person. All right, and actually there are only 5 ways we can do this because the next group you form, you will have more than 1 person shared in the 2 teams. So the greatest number of groups they can create by sharing only 1 person in 2 groups is 5 groups. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.